Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today we're going to be figuring out how to find your WordPress admin URL if you've forgotten it. If you're here, you probably changed your login URL and then forgot what you changed it to. I've done it before, and the only way to get it back really is to disable the plugin you used to change it. So to do that, you're going to want to go to your hosting, wherever you host your website, and access your cPanel. You can look up how to do that online or ask support if you don't know how, but it's pretty easy. Just look for the cPanel around your dashboard somewhere, and then once you're in there, you can go to your file manager to see all your website files. And we're going to do it for this one, COD Competitive here. And once you find your website, go to WP Content, and then to Plugins to see a list of all your plugins. Now, in my scenario, I use WPS Hide Login to change mine. If you don't know which one you use to change it, you can just disable, them all, or the ones you think are most likely. And to disable them, you're just going to rename the file. So we'll make it old or whatever. Rename the file, and now it's WordPress hide login old. And at that point, you should be able to log in with the OG login, which is WordPress-admin. If that WordPress-admin isn't working, try WordPress-admin.php. And now you've got your website back. So yeah, if that helped you, please leave a like, comment, and thank you. If you can't find the app or you somehow don't have access or whatever, you're going to have to have your website hosting provider restore your website from a previous backup, which is a pain, I know, but that's really the only other option. Anyways, guys, if this helped, please leave a like, and thank you.